Today we are in TouchDesigner and we're gonna try to wake up Neo in a typewriter style effect logic. Let's do it. I will try to explain in detail, so if you're a beginner, you're not lost. So let's right click and erase everything, and you click that icon to have an empty space. Let's call a DAT, text DAT, and you click the plus button and you can type whatever you want. Here we're gonna use the famous sentence in the Matrix movie. Okay, let's wake up Neo. But you can write whatever you want. So here we're gonna just put some random script inside to show you after the difference between few lines and long line like this. The idea is now how can we split this text to have a logic which code them character by character. So you have many approaches to that, and we're gonna use a hybrid one to mix a few lines of Python code and Node. So let's code a script, and that script will help us to split every character. So I will give you the script in the YouTube description, but basically you can see here he's calling the first entry, which is a script input 0. Then he converts this as a list, and for every character he creates a new row, a new line. Then we have to convert them into columns, which is useful because there is a transpose node that do this in a good way. And then the idea is to select them one by one. So let's call a select and select by index. And you can see that the index know that it is begin from 0 to 96. How did he know that? He know that because if you click here and call an info node, you will see that there is 97 num calls. Here we can see 96 because in the code there is -1. So you know that in this one there is 97, but if I put this one, you can see that now there is thousands and hundreds of characters. Let's put this back. And the idea now is how can we make this animation logic? So we're going to use a LFO in a chop LFO, and you can see now is going from -1 to 1. But if we change the type to ramp, it will go from 0 to 1. And if we change the amplitude, it will go from 0 to 10. So let's call in here the num calls. So let's type this code OP transpose 1 dot num calls, and you will see that now we have this value from here. We call it here in the amplitude. So now the LFO goes from 0 to 97. And you can change the frequency here to make it more slower and faster. Okay, so now what you have to do is click the plus icon and drag this value into the call end index, and you will see now this value is moving. What we need now is a merge. We're going to collapse the cells and erase the concatenate, and you will see the magic is here. Okay, so this is basically only data. And we want them to convert this into a pixel space because we are graphic designer, I don't know, whatever. So let's call a top text, and you will see this is even more magics. So you can type text by the end, but you can also drag and drop a DAT. And look at this. There is text. Change the output resolution. And what we can do in the text font, align left and vertical bottom. Let's give in 25 pixel border space. And you will see that now the text is writing in real time, and we can change the speed here. But if we choose another type of text with more longer sentences, you will see that everything is cut. Why? Because this node, it didn't know how far goes the line. But there is an option in the text menu, word wrap, and you will see now it will try to fit the content from every character into the pixel space. This is magic. Okay, let's get back with this text and change the color. Let's give a green matrix color, a little bit of more vitamin and speed. And now what we can do, I just take a screenshot of my terminal command window. Sorry for Mac user and Linux user, but you can do it also. And look at this. Oh, we need to conform this pixel space. Let's give him those pixels that you want. Okay, this is set. Yeah. And now we can see that the text is over this one. We can change the font size, give him 15, and the font Ubuntu. This is not the easiest, but you can to work. So what you can do is right-click display and disable show network grid. Right-click display and disable backdrop top. No, my God, we don't see anything now. We have to split left-right, and here you just choose top viewer, and voila. You have one space where you can work and one space to see what's happened in the output. Oh, we can call out node. Yeah. Like this. So, okay. Let's change the text. Check. And let's be creative. If you like that kind of content, support me, write comments, like, share, do whatever you want.